You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. From Vietnamese, meaning good or nice, brave, heroic. How to pronounce Vietnamese given name. Hao. If you want to learn more Vietnamese pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. How to pronounce in English. It's usually also pronounced as Hao. From Vietnamese, Hao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.